Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for 9th March 2021, Tuesday. So this analysis is for Tuesday only. I'll be coming back again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. And if you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs, you can check my Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel so that you get to see me again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. Okay, so you can see that right now market is trading at 1.3861 this, and market was in uptrend. After that, market started falling, and right now market is here. This is the picture we have in front of us. And you can see I have drawn three lines here. Okay, three lines here. So the first line is this, uh, 1.3783. Okay, this is the first line that I have drawn. Okay, but this is a support, present support for the market. Though this support is not that strong, we cannot call it as the extreme support for the market. Still, there is some support available. That's why I have marked this with the help of this green line. Okay. So as this is a seller's market as of now, okay, right now the selling pressure is there, so we can consider it as the seller's market. So if you find the market trading below this level, okay, you can short the market again. Just remember the price is being supported by volume. If you see that, okay, it has crossed the line and there is good amount of volume, okay, then you can short the market. Just wait for 45 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, let the support become the resistance. Okay, then only you should short the market. Okay, so this is the first level that you need to watch before shorting the market. Okay, so this is the first level. Second level is this one. Okay, this is the second level. This is the extreme support for the market as of now, 1.4017. In case market goes up, okay, in case market goes up and reaches this level, okay, then you just wait and observe how the price is reacting. Okay, if it crosses this level, then wait for 1 hour again. Wait for 1 hour, let the market or let the price feel comfortable above the resistance. Let the market trade comfortably, let the resistance become the support, then only go for a buy. And on the other hand, if you see that, okay, though it has reached the level, okay, but it is struggling very hard, market is struggling, and if you see some price rejection from above, okay, or candles like this, candles like shooting star, okay, then you can short the market here again. So this is the first level, this is the second level, okay, and the third level is this. You can see that market right now market is not having much volatility, okay, and market is kind of trading in a range, okay, and to mark this range I have taken help of this third line. Okay, so what do you need to do? Okay, in case market crosses this line, okay, in case market crosses this line, okay, wait for 1 hour, 1.5 or 2 hours, whatever, okay, it's up to you. Just wait, okay, just wait and watch how the market is reacting above this line. If you see that, okay, market is more or less trading comfortably, okay, then, and if you want to take some risk, you can go for a buy order. Okay, you can go for a buy order, but it involves some amount of risk in comparison to the other two levels. Or just wait for the market, okay, just wait for the market to linger around this level, okay, after some time, after some time when this 50 moving average will be somewhere around here, okay, and when market will cross this 50 moving average, okay, then candles will be above the 50 moving average, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, but this will take some time. Okay, this will take some time. So these are the strategies for today. Okay, the first is, okay, if market crosses this level with good volume, okay, short the market. Secondly, if market goes up suddenly, okay, reaches this level and it crosses this level, wait for 1 hour at least, okay, and if still market trades comfortably above the level, buy. In case you see some price rejection from above, sell the market distance. And on the other hand, if you see that after 1 or 2 hour, okay, market cross this level, okay, there is not much volatility in this range. Market crosses this level, okay, and you see that, okay, more or less market is trading comfortably, then there will be some risk, but you can buy, okay, but I would not recommend for beginners. And the next and the last thing that you can do is wait for the market, okay, wait for the market, okay, if market trades for long hours between these range, just wait for the market to be in this range, and when it will move above the 50 moving average, okay, then you can go for a buy order somewhere around here, 38730, around this level. Because if market trades in this range for a long period of time, then sorry, this 50 moving average will come down to the market, okay, and when the candles will be above the 50 moving average, then you can go for a buy order. So these are the possibilities, okay, that you can have for GBP USD for 9th March 2021. Okay. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have failed to understood, then please watch the video again. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. Good luck, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.